Welcome back. My name is Joel Elliott and I'm the Senior Property Manager here at EW Capital Management. In today's blog session, we'd like to kind of talk to you a little bit about what is the cost of property management for high-rise condos in Atlanta. I know a lot of you guys that own these units are probably like, that is the biggest dilemma that I have. Probably because it's going to be that you have a much higher dollar rental. So some of the things that you want to look at in considering cost is do you want to go with a property management company that offers you a flat fee model or one with a percentage of rent? Anytime that you do a percentage of rent, it's typically going to be the cost is much higher than the flat fee model. But you have to look at what you're looking to gain out of the property management relationship with your property manager as well as the entire process. The more that you want the property manager to be involved, the more that you're going to look at things in terms of cost. So, in order to minimize costs, you want to look at the things that you can control within that relationship yourself. Some of those things being the ultimate thing, which is the relationship between the property manager, yourself, and the tenant and the unit. The more communication or things you have the property manager physically do along with the contract will allow for you to have to pay more in terms of cost. So you may need a percentage model, meaning if you want the property manager to handle all of the lease violations, any inspections that the condo association needs to do of your unit, things of that nature, that's normally going to drive your cost up because that's not a typical thing that the property manager would do on your behalf as part of your contract. Next thing that you would really want to look at is that are you going to play a vital role in the rental process and being that liaison on a day-to-day basis? If you don't want the liaison, then you're going to probably want to go to a percentage model. The advantages of flat fee is that they'll list out exactly what services they will provide for you at what cost basis. So that way you'll be able to project your budget. On the percentage basis, they'll typically factor the percentage based on how involved you're going to be in the process and how much back and forth there'll be between the owner and the landlord, the owner or the landlord, so to speak, and the condo association. So just to kind of be able to have a recap of what we talked about today is you want to look at the two fee structures. If the flat fee works for you and the minimum service is provided, that is typically going to be your low cost service that you'll probably want to go with. Or if you want to be an owner that's more involved or not involved, then you probably want to go with the percentage service because that's going to probably give you more services provided by the property manager and they'll be the one all be all in the transaction and you'll have little to do. But again, that's a decision that will have to come down to you and what's best for you and from your budget with your unit. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, give us a call. As always, thank you for watching and tune in to us next time.